अमरीकी गुंडागर्दी को कूड़ेदान में फेंकने का वक्त आ गया है। ईरानी वजीर खारजा अब्बास अराग़ची का नई दिल्ली में ब्रिक्स इजलास के मौके पर जारहाना खिताब। दावा किया कि एक जख्मी जानवर अपने खात्मे के रास्ते पर है, वो बेबसी से पंजे मार रहा है और दहाड़ रहा है। वाज़े कर दिया कि ईरान सिफारतकारी के लिए तैयार है, मगर अपनी आज़ादी के लिए जिद्दोजहद जारी रखेगा और किसी के सामने किसी सूरत सर नहीं झुकाएगा।
Virtually everyone in this room, our resistance against US bullying is not an unfamiliar battle. So many of us encounter slight variations of the same repugnant coercion. It is high time for us to jointly step up and work towards making clear that those practices belong in the dustbin of history. Today, our nations are closer to one another than ever before, and we cannot ignore the common and dangerous challenge we all face. History has shown that empires in decline will stop at nothing to arrest their inevitable fates. A wounded animal will desperately claw and roar on its way down. While ready to fight with everything we have in defense of our freedom and our soil, we are equally ready to pursue and defend diplomacy. As I have repeatedly stated, there is no such thing as a military solution to anything related to Iran. We Iranians never bow to any pressure or threat, but we reciprocate the language of respect. As much as our powerful armed forces remain ready to exact devastating retribution on foreign aggressors, my people are peace-loving and do not seek war. We are not aggressor in this sordid situation, but the aggrieved.